Welcome to the depths of the Amazon rainforest, a realm filled with mystery, beauty, and untamed wilderness. In this captivating video, we will embark on a once-in-a-lifetime journey through the heart of the Amazon, where we will unveil the rarest and most exotic plants found nowhere else on Earth. Get ready to witness the wonders of the Amazon flora, as we dive deep into its lush green world. Exploring biodiversity. The Amazon rainforest is the epitome of biodiversity, home to an astounding array of plant species. It encompasses an area of over 5 million square kilometers, sprawling across several South American countries. Within this vast expanse lies a diverse collection of ecosystems, fostering the growth of countless plant species that thrive in this unique environment. From towering trees that form the canopy to delicate orchids hiding in the understory, the Amazon rainforest provides an ideal habitat for countless plant species. These plants have adapted to the region's distinct climate, with abundant rainfall and high humidity enabling their growth. Join us as we uncover the secrets of the Amazon's rarest and most exotic plants. Unveiling rare and exotic plants. Our journey takes us deep into the remote corners of the Amazon rainforest, where we encounter some of the most elusive and intriguing plant species in the world. These plants have evolved unique characteristics, making them not only visually breathtaking but also biologically fascinating. We unveil the miraculous Rafflesia flower, known as the corpse flower, for its repugnant smell and massive size. This parasitic plant is a sight to behold and plays an essential role in the rainforest ecosystem. We also explore the sensitive Venus flytrap, a carnivorous plant that snaps shut to capture unsuspecting insects. Discover how these rare plants have adapted to thrive in the dense Amazonian wilderness. Conservation efforts. With the Amazon rainforest facing various threats, preserving its unique flora is of utmost importance. Human activities such as deforestation and illegal logging pose a significant risk to the survival of these rare and exotic plants. However, there are dedicated conservation efforts aimed at safeguarding the biodiversity of the Amazon. We shed light on the remarkable work being done by scientists and conservationists to protect and restore the Amazon rainforest. From establishing protected areas to conducting groundbreaking research, these efforts play a vital role in preserving the rare and exotic plants that call the Amazon home. As our journey to the mysterious Amazon comes to an end, we reflect on the awe-inspiring beauty and invaluable biodiversity that exists within this precious ecosystem. The Amazon rainforest continues to be a source of fascination and inspiration for scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Join us again for more exciting adventures as we explore the wonders of our remarkable world. Welcome to the depths of the Amazon rainforest, a realm filled with mystery, beauty, and untamed wilderness. In this captivating video, we will embark on a once-in-a-lifetime journey through the heart of the Amazon, where we will unveil the rarest and most exotic plants found nowhere else on Earth. Get ready to witness the wonders of the Amazon flora, as we dive deep into its lush green world. Join us on this adventure as we unravel the mysteries of the mysterious Amazon. Welcome to the captivating world of the Amazon rainforest, a hidden sanctuary teeming with incredible biodiversity. In this fascinating video, we embark on an extraordinary journey, delving into the depths of the Amazon to explore its rare and exotic plants. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the secrets of this awe-inspiring ecosystem, highlighting the unique flora that can only be found in the Amazon. Join us on this adventure as we unravel the mysteries of the mysterious Amazon.